Alright, so we have square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x minus 5 equals 6. First thing we're going to do is to square both sides. We're just going to square both sides. And now to expand this, we're going to use the rule right. So a is x plus 7 and b is x minus 5. So let's expand using this. Plus 2 that's a very long one. So let's continue. This strikes out. This also strikes out. So we are left with this. All right, this and this gives us 2x. Then we'll move all of this to the side. Remember, their signs will change. Positive change to negative when crossing the equal sign. And so we simplify further. Okay. This would give us 34 minus 2x. So now we are going to take the square of both sides again. Okay, and this will give us 2 squared, while all of this are being squared. Okay, so remember the law of sword. This means a dot b in 1 square root. We're going to apply that here. So this would be x plus 7, x minus 5. All right, equal to, we're going to expand this using this rule. So in expanding that, we'll have our a to be 34 and our b to be 2x. So let's put that down. Okay, so we're doing a whole lot at the same time, so we need to be very, very careful. So in expanding this, we have x squared minus 5 plus 7 should give us plus 2x. This gives us minus 35. And this square cancels the square root. So we have here, so this gives us 1156. This would give us plus 4x squared. This would give us a plus times 4. This is 4x. 34 times 4. And we multiply that 12, 13. So that's 36x. All right. So next thing we're going to do is to open this up. This gives us 4x squared plus 8x minus what is 35 multiplied by 4. 12, 13, 14. That's 140. We have 1156 plus 4x squared plus 136x. This is definitely going to cancel out. All right, so let's move all of this to the side. 1156, this coming here becomes plus, and this coming here will give us negative. And then if we're to subtract 1156 minus 140, this would give us 1016. Okay, and then if we're to subtract this other one, minus 8, this is 12. 128. So we're going to move this to the other side. All right. All right, so let's take note that there is no negative sign here, and so the sign has to change. And then when we add this negative, 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 we're not multiplying it. So this will give us 1. This will give us 144. 144x. So we're going to move which one we want to move. We can move them. All right. And we are adding this, not subtracting. My bad. So if we're adding this, this is supposed to give us a big increase. Okay. 1296. 1296. When we divide through, so when we divide, we have 9. So let's do a quick check right here. Our question is square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x minus 5 equals 6. Our x is 9. This would give us 16. And this gives us 4. This would give us 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And we arrive at 6 equal to 6. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Do well to subscribe. Please, guys, subscribe, and you can show me some love by buying some super things. All right. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.